So Bitcoin flushed yesterday, piercing 25,000. We're going to take this purely from a chart and data perspective. Now, again, you guys know I've been generally bearish since we were at 31 to 32,000. I was one of the only people saying, no, it's not going to break out. This is massive resistance here. We're going to actually sell off and come back in. Well, that's exactly what we did. Now, there's a couple things I want to show in this, right? So take a look at this. Here was the Ripple news, the pop, and the reversal right back down. All right, this was your BlackRock news, which, by the way, is the low that we hit yesterday. And we rallied, and then we lost it over here with this move down. Now, over here was your Grayscale news. Up big one day, and then in 2 days, it came right back in. So what we're seeing is this pattern of Bitcoin popping, and then especially Ripple and Grayscale, the good news there, and the chart came right back in. Now, this is where things get even more interesting to me. If you look at the price action, right? So if we look at this price action here, this is just zooming into the chart. This is yesterday, and this is today. What do you guys notice about this? We had a down move, and in 1 day, we reversed it right back to the upside. All right, so the reason why that's catching my attention is just like, and again, this is the key, is you want to be bearish when the charts tell you to be bearish. You want to be bullish when the charts tell you to be bullish. In the short term, this move down here has been reversed. This is the opposite of this. This was a bearish signal. That was a bearish signal. The Ripple move was a bearish signal, and it worked out. This is now a short-term bullish signal on Bitcoin. Now, again, how does it get negated? Well, if we ever take out this low down here, it gets negated, right? If we close below that low. But right now, we've reversed the down move. That puts a short-term low in Bitcoin, and therefore, on a technical basis, you have to switch to a near-term bullish bias. In addition, we know that you hit a double bottom here, right? So we have a classic little pivot low right there, and that was tagged right there. We can draw a trend line right in that vicinity and gives us that double bottom. So again, this is my point, folks. I am neither a bull nor a bear in terms of being a perma-bull or perma-bear. The charts are what tell me what to do. And again, they don't tell me 100%. They tell me probability-wise. So they tell me 70, 80% chance this is what's the coming move on the chart. And again, so many people just don't understand that. They're thinking everything is absolute in the markets. No, it's not. If I see a good setup, it tells me there's a 7 out of 10 chance that it's going to go in the direction I think, and that's great. That's an amazing, that's Hall of Fame numbers. It still means 3 out of 10 times it's not going to work. You have to know when it's failed, and you have to adjust. So short term, now by the way, I still think Bitcoin is going lower net over the next couple months, but short term, you can't deny that that is a bullish signal on Bitcoin.